Fascinating secrets about cats. Cats have long captivated us with their mysterious behaviors and elegant presence. Beyond their charming purrs and enigmatic stares lies a world of intriguing secrets that make these furry companions even more captivating. Let's delve into 5 lesser-known secrets about cats that might just deepen your appreciation for these enigmatic creatures. 1. Nighttime ninjas. The nocturnal nature. Cats are crepuscular creatures, meaning they are most active during dawn and dusk. This behavior traces back to their wild ancestors, who hunted during these times to avoid competition with larger predators. Their heightened senses, exceptional night vision, and stealthy movements make them proficient nighttime hunters. This behavior also explains those unexpected pouncing episodes on your bed at 3 a.m. 2. Communication through tails and whiskers. Cats are master communicators, and much of their body language is expressed through their tails and whiskers. A cat's tail can reveal its mood. A vertical tail indicates a confident or happy cat, while a puffed-up tail signals fear or aggression. Whiskers aren't just there for decoration, they're extremely sensitive and help cats navigate their surroundings. When a cat's whiskers are pulled back, it's often feeling threatened or anxious. 3. The perfect healing vibration. The soothing sound of a cat's purr isn't just delightful, it's also believed to have healing properties. Cats purr at various frequencies, which can promote bone growth, alleviate pain, and even aid in the healing of wounds. Scientists also suggest that purring might be a way for cats to self-soothe during times of stress. 4. Kitty sixth sense. The uncanny intuition. Have you ever noticed your cat staring at something invisible? Cats possess an uncanny ability to sense things that are beyond our human perception. Their acute senses, particularly their exceptional hearing and keen sense of smell, enable them to detect subtle changes in their environment. This heightened awareness might explain why cats sometimes seem to react to things we can't see. 5. The ancient bond. Cats and humans. The domestication of cats dates back thousands of years, with evidence suggesting that they were initially drawn to human settlements to control rodent populations. However, unlike dogs, cats have retained a bit of their wild independence. They form bonds with humans on their own terms, often seeking companionship when it suits them. This unique relationship adds to their enigmatic charm and keeps us guessing. In conclusion, the secrets of cats are as captivating as their elegant presence. From their nocturnal habits and tale-telling ways to their healing purrs and uncanny intuition, these furry companions continue to amaze and intrigue us. The more we learn about these enigmatic creatures, the more we can appreciate the subtle nuances that make them such fascinating companions in our lives. So the next time your cat gazes off into the distance or gives you a gentle head bump, remember that there's always more to these creatures than meets the eye.